I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Sign in with an administrator account so you have rights to change sign-in options. Once signed in, press Windows plus R, type NetBlue and hit Enter to open user accounts. You'll see a list of users. Select the account you want to remove the password for. Make sure the checkbox labeled Users must enter a username and password is visible. Uncheck it to begin the automatic sign-in configuration, and click Apply to proceed to credentials. When prompted, type the existing account password exactly, enter it again to confirm, and click OK. This step writes the credentials to the system so Windows can sign in automatically. Once you click OK, the NetBlue window will reflect the change, and you should reopen it to verify the checkbox remains unchecked. Make sure to click Apply and OK in all dialogues. Reboot or sign out to validate automatic login works, and that no password prompt appears on next sign-in. To finish, go to Settings Account Sign-In Options and turn off any remaining requirements like Windows Hello PIN or Dynamic Lock, so they won't interrupt auto sign-in. If you're on a domain or have BitLocker, automatic sign-in may be blocked for security. Disconnect from domain or suspend BitLocker if you understand the risk. If automatic login fails or creates security concerns, re-enable the password immediately. Better to keep your account protected than convenience unchecked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.